I'm gonna sit so unladylike right now, but I don't really care because this is the wonderful world of YouTube. It really matters from here up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Birchbox unboxing for June 2018. If you guys want to see what's in this month's box of goodies, then keep on watching. This is this month's Birchbox. It looks like we got what I can only imagine what my summer is going to be like, just lounging out, hanging out, soaking up all the rays, and just enjoying your best summer yet. And this month is all about the warm weather pleasures. And this is, you know, a little to-do list of some different activities to do during the summer, such as strawberry picking, trying a fishtail braid, nap on a hammock, blah, blah, blah. It's also insanely gorgeous outside right now, so if you see me looking this way, it's because I'm envisioning me in my little kiddie pool, which I'll throw right here. This month we have a bunch of stuff in here, so let's go ahead and jump right on in. The first thing we have in our Birchbox this month is from Marcelle, and this is the anti-pollution micellar foaming cleanser. It's been a minute since we've had a micellar water on this channel. There aren't a lot of cleansers I've tested, but we know how I feel about micellar waters, and we like testing different formulas. So a micellar foaming cleanser, I'm down. Your typical micellar water, which is fine because it's going to give you maybe a little bit more of a deeper cleanse when it comes to cleaning the face. But yeah, I'm really excited. I plan on packing this in my European travel bag because I want to bring a cleanser and I want to bring something I won't have to worry about, but I'm really excited to test this. I mean, we know I like Marcelle products. We know I like micellar waters. So literally put the two of together in the best of worlds. That was probably not the best idea to throw that. Next inside our Birchbox we have a, what is this? We have a Metalimatte, a drying cream blush in the shade color Peekaboo. This is from Peak Cosmetics. And this, I just realized that the name of this is Peekaboo. Girl. The blush in its component, and I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this because as you guys watched in my Ipsy unbagging, which I'll link down below, blushes are not my favorite thing, especially ones that are a little bit more pigmented, a little bit more peachy, pinkier tone, because I am fairly pink toned. So I like to kind of go opposite of the color wheel and go a little bit more mauve and a little bit more subtle colors. Kind of just disappeared right into the skin, so maybe this will be not a bad blush when it comes to testing things out. Yeah, it comes in this tiny little component. It does feel pretty creamy, so I'm a little nervous for that when it comes to summer because, as I've mentioned, I don't like a lot of product to sit on my face, and more cream products are heavier on the skin during the summer months, but I'm always down to try. You know what? Hey, a blush is a blush. I'll try it out at least once, but I'm not making any promises. But I do like the color. It is a pretty... I do like the color. It is pretty neutral when it comes to blushes compared to that blush melon that we got in our Ipsy bag, because that is still scary. That's actually on my cheeks right now, and it's like I had to tone it down with some serious skin tint because woof girl. Next in our Birchbox we have something from LUMAVEIL Beauty, which is the on-the-go mattifying primer SPF 50. So a primer. It has neutral shade. It has a little bit of color on the primer, but ooh, it does mattify down pretty well. I do love the fact that this does have an SPF in it, which that way if your foundation or BB creams or skin tints won't have you covered, at least this will. An SPF 50 is pretty heavy duty when it comes to primers. Again, you can't really say too much about a primer or an SPF, but I'm excited to see how it will make my makeup last and if it's worthwhile. Next in our Birchbox we have something from R&Co, and this is the Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. Ooh. This almost smells like cucumber melon meets gardenia, which is an interesting scent. Dry naturally, so this will definitely be something worthwhile for me when it comes to my crazy summer hair that I always love to embrace. To add shine and moisture without weighing the hair down, always a big fan. Like I said, I've tested a couple of R&Co products where I have been less than happy with, but I'm always down to test new products, especially products where I can literally just throw it in my hair and walk out the door. That's like, especially when I'm using a lot of curl creams or air foam drying wave sprays, a lot of those products will just leave my hair less than desired to the touch, where it'll feel crunchy, crispy. I'm hoping that maybe with that lotion it makes it a little bit smoother. Only time will tell. The last thing inside our Birchbox is from DERMA, and this is the vitamin C concentrated serum with hyaluronic acid. Let's go ahead and review to our little pamphlet here. This is a skin brightening, tone evening vitamin C you need. It protects from environmental stresses and hydrates throughout the day. So this is going to be your BFF when it comes to soaking up the vitamin D in the sun. And you know what? I'm always down to try new serums. I like stuff that's going to give me a little bit of moisture with my skin, and I like things that, you know, just make me feel good. It helps protect against environmental stresses such as the sun, pollution, pollen, whatever life throws at us. That's always exciting, and a little bit of hyaluronic acid is always a good thing that helps with moisture. That was everything that was inside my Birchbox this month, so thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new Birchboxes. This is all first impression. There seems to be a lot of products in there that I will truthfully forget about, if we're being completely fair. This isn't really a rememberable box on a first impression. I'm sure I will test some of this stuff out and it might be absolute game changers. I'll give this month's box a B because I don't want to knock it just because I feel like I'm not going to remember these products. I might test them and they might become some of my new favorites and hidden gems. Who actually knows? But I will be sure to do a full blog review over at the blog, and you guys can check that out at Life with Sarah or at sarahlock.com, 2 H's, 2 K's. And I'll also be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. I think that's about it. I think that's all I have to add. That's all I have to say. Not a very fun unboxing because there's not a lot of things to like test or play out with on a first impression. So, sorry about that. But yeah. Okay. I don't know how else to end this. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Take care. Love you always. And until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.